walking in the roads of Prague. Just came from the Prague Castle. Daming tao, grabe. Tingnan yung transport system nila. That is line 22. Yung sinakyan namin kanina, line 23. May dadaan, we'll take a video of line 23. That one, line 20. 41 ba to? Ito, historical na tram po. Galing. Di ba? Ito, mga tao. Ang ganda ng mga view dito, Ganda siya. Just by walking talaga. Sus, kaganda talaga ng Prague. It's a very touristy na. Okay na, pwede ko. Okay. So you have to check yung city mapper nila. Anong gawin mo dyan? Kita tayo? Nawala. It's line 23 din ba? No. Ibang line na. Kanina we rode line 23. Pero may andun may mga old na, may line 41 kanina.
41 is also one of them.
Ha? Oh, 41 kanina nakita ko
41, 42, 22, 23. Sila yung mga old train.
Ito yung mga modern na 12.
I don't know who the oldest is.
Yeah.
They're the old train. Kapura?
Bubuhayin ng tourism talaga to, this city. Wala
Tourism ba?
Oo, bubuhayin yan kasi kumpara mo ng Bangkok, layo ng Bangkok dito. Saan tayo magbantay? Okay. Ano mo? Line. This is line. We're crossing. Okay, let's cross. Dito tayo center. So even idea, sa mga you'll be visiting Prague, so familiarization with yung mga tram, you can use yung app na City Mapper. Yun. They have sightseeing pala. Okay. Yung app na City Mapper naman nag-guide siya,
1 minute na yung train.
Okay. In 1 minute the lane train 18 is coming.
Did we galing
Ganda.
remember? Can I picture? We're going to the head of Friends Staff, which is also beside the mall.